Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your email marketing with Constant Contact step by step clearly. To secure your email marketing with Constant Contact, begin by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once logged in, navigate to the email section on the dashboard. Click on Create to start a new email campaign. Choose the type of email you want to create, such as a newsletter or targeted campaign. Select a template that aligns with your brand aesthetic. Personalize the template by adding your logo and adjusting the colors. Next, focus on building your recipient list. Go to the Contacts tab and ensure all email addresses are valid and opted into your list. In the email editor, craft your subject line carefully, making it engaging but concise. Use segmenting strategies to target specific audiences based on their behavior and preferences. Set up authentication protocols, such as SPF and DKIM, to improve email deliverability. At the bottom of the email editor, enable the track options for opens, clicks, and other engagement metrics. Before sending, preview your email to check for formatting issues or errors. Next, send a test email to verify that everything looks correct in various email clients. Once satisfied, schedule your email or send it immediately. Finally, monitor the campaign performance through the analytics dashboard after sending. Review the engagement metrics to understand what worked and what needs improvement in future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.